Hey guys, this is Dhruv Mohan from Tech Insider India, and today we are doing a quick overview for the Oppo A74 5G. Alright, let's start by talking about the design of Oppo A74 5G. The smartphone weighs 188 grams and is really lightweight. Overall, the phone sports a sleek profile. There is a USB Type-C charging port on the phone along with a 3.5mm headphone jack. We have a side-mounted fingerprint sensor on the A74 5G. The smartphone is available in two colors, Fantastic Purple and Fluid Black. You get a massive screen on the Oppo A74 5G. There is a 6.9-inch FHD Plus Punch-hole Display on A74 with very thin bezels. The display supports a maximum refresh rate of up to 90 Hz. So you can expect a good experience while you play video games. Complementing the display on Oppo A74 5G is a stereo speaker setup which is fairly loud. Now it's time we talk about the optics on the Oppo A74 5G. We get a triple camera array on the Oppo A74 5G. There is a 48 megapixel main camera combined together with a 2 megapixel macro lens and another 2 megapixel depth lens for better portrait photography. On the front, we have a punch-hole camera setup for the selfie camera, which is an 8 megapixel shooter. The Oppo A74 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G chipset. Yes, this smartphone by Oppo is 5G ready, which makes it a future-proof investment. Oppo claims that with a strong 5G connection, the smartphone will be able to download data at a maximum speed of 2.1 Gbps. The Oppo A74 5G runs on Android 11 out of the box. We get Oppo's own Color OS on the smartphone, which works in sync with the Android 11. The Oppo A74 5G packs in a massive 5000 mAh battery. This massive battery should last a typical working day. The smartphone also supports 18-watt fast charging.